Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HK9 Ultra 2 Max. It is a newer version of HK9 Ultra 2. Basically they added some features which was not previously available in HK9 Ultra 2. Now we have support for photo album and you can now connect your Bluetooth earbuds as well. So I'm going to unbox this and see all of its features. And as you can see, the box is very similar to the previous HK9 Ultra 2. So let me just open it. And we are going to see if they made any more changes to the design. So let me peel the plastic off first. And it still has Wear Fit Pro application support. So let me open the box. And I believe this is Chinese version and the global version will be released very soon. You can buy this from AliExpress, link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and thanks to Zorwing for providing us this watch for review. So as you can see, inside the box we have a quick start guide, which we don't need actually. It's very easy to pair in Wear Fit Pro application, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So as you can see, it has English language as well. And also we have a strap which is in orange, ocean band strap, and charging dock. So here is our watch, 49mm case. And let me just peel the plastic off. And quickly I noticed some differences in compared to previous HK9 Ultra 2. We now have holes which is similar to Apple Watch Ultra, as you can see on both sides, speaker holes. Now it looks very good in design as well. And as you can see on the left hand side, we also have speaker hole, which finally they made. Before it was only one speaker hole, I believe. So let me turn on the watch. And let me change the language to English. Now let's connect it in Wear Fit Pro application. As you can see, we have HK9 Ultra 2 Max. Click on connect. Now it's pairing. Wait for a pop-up and click on the tick button. As you can see, paired successfully. Very easy to pair. This is the same method for Android users as well. So as you can see, we now have a different watch face. And now the compass is working in this watch face. Previously in HK9 Ultra 2 the watch face was very cheap looking and the compass was not working. It was an animation video, but as you can see, transition effects, it's a little bit choppy compared to HK9 Ultra 2. So let me just show you a different, we have how many watch faces we have, if there is any new one. I believe this is the new watch face, which looks good. And the bezel size is still thick compared to Hello Watch 3 and JS Hello 3 Plus. This is also a new watch face. So as you can see, the compass is working in this one as well. And let me go back. As you can see, it changes color. This is the main watch face, guys. Previously, now it is very similar to actually original Apple Watch Ultra. And as you can see, looks very good. Compass animation also looks very good, but I believe it is a little bit slower compared to HK9 Ultra 2. I don't know why it's lagging. Hopefully in the future we will see more updates and it will get more smoother. So let me connect it to Wear Fit Pro application and see if there is any new watch faces. This is the most annoying thing about Wear Fit Pro application. They have tons of ads in the free version, which is really annoying. And so let me just skip the ad first. Now let's see the watch faces. We have new. Click on new, and as you can see, guys, all of them are paid watch faces, which is very annoying. And still there are some old watch faces and they don't have a good selection of watch faces compared to Hello Watch 3 Plus and JS Hello 3. So Very disappointing that we have to pay for watch faces. Not many new watch faces available, which is quite disappointing actually. And the ones that are available are paid watch faces. Very annoying, guys. Honestly, that's why I don't like Wear Fit Pro application. QI Fit application is miles better than Wear Fit Pro application in this regard especially. So these are the old ones that are free, and as soon as I click on that, a pop-up ad appears, which is also very annoying. They have a lot of ads in this application, in Wear Fit Pro application. So as you can see, the animations are now slowed. I don't know why it is slowed down a little bit. Previously when I started the watch and it was fast, but now as you can see it is lagging. So I don't know why is that, as you can see clearly. So let me go into the music application, and now we have the option to connect your Bluetooth headphones, as you can see. Bluetooth headset, which was not previously available in HK9 Ultra 2. And this is a good feature. They should release this feature in every clone watches. It's a very nice feature. And if I go back into, as you can see guys, the bezel size is thick compared to Hello Watch 3. As I've told you previously, the bezel size is very thick. So overall, I really don't like Wear Fit Pro application, honestly, because of there is a lot of ads, and the watch faces, most of them are paid watch faces. And so let me just go back and let's go on to customize watch face and see if there are any changes in font size, or you can select different font colors. So let me go to album dial, and it's still the same. As you can see, we have very few different font colors and designs, and there are not many major changes in Wear Fit Pro application, unfortunately. So it's still the same compared to HK9 Ultra 2 if you talk about the application. So let me go into firmware update. As you can see, the version that this watch is running is on 5.0.1. If I go back into, let me just go to settings, universal, about, and as you can see, the system version is 5.0.1 and the model name is HK9 Ultra 2 Max. So I'm not sure if we see many updates in this one, because HK9 Ultra 2 we are not receiving any updates. So I believe for this one it will be the same. That's why I don't like Wear Fit Pro application, because it does not have that many features compared to QI Fit. So the chipset is fast, but I don't know why it slowed down. There was a bug or something, I don't know. But the wrist to wake feature is still one of the best in HK9 Ultra 2, and as you can see here, it is also working very well. They also changed background for sports mode. Let me just quickly show you. If I go into, let me go back, click on this. As you can see, we now have black background instead of green, which looks very good. Now it is looking similar to Apple Watch Ultra original. So let me just check the heart rate, if it measures the table heart rate. And apparently our table is alive still, and it is measuring table heart rate. Very disappointing, guys. Still they didn't fix this issue, and looks quite cheap actually. So let me go into activity mode, and as you can see, activity has same animation, but now they changed the background to black. I don't know why is that. Before it was similar to Apple Watch Ultra 2. Now as you can see, it has black background. Some things they made it worse, and some things they made it good. They made good changes. So as you can see, we have calculator application, and charging animation. They also changed the charging animation. Before it was very cheap looking and not similar to Apple Watch Ultra. Now it is very similar to Apple Watch Ultra, as you can see. You can also rotate it. Looks very good actually. So should you upgrade if you already have an HK9 Ultra 2? I will say yes, if you really need the support of Bluetooth earbuds connection mode and if you need a photo album. Otherwise, I will say if you don't really care about these features, then skip this version. But the watch is very good actually. The design is now similar to Apple Watch Ultra, and the link is in the description, guys, if you want to purchase this one. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channels, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.